come take a look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 25,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the light cashmere ebony, premium cloth seat trim and the blue granite metallic. Call 877-705-4252 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.